While it's true that dishwashers consume approximately 10 gallons of water per cycle, hand washing can easily use double that amount, around 20 gallons, if you're not careful. It all comes down to technique and efficiency. Be mindful of how much water you're using when hand washing. Don't let the water run continuously, and consider using a wash basin to conserve water. Dishwashers can be more energy efficient than hand washing because they use less hot water. Heating water is a major energy drain, so the less hot water you use, the better.